Hey, it's Doug with Backcountry Pilgrim. Today I want to show you a fanny pack that I've been wearing lately by Acromoda that's got some very interesting features. I am a lot more impressed with this than I expected to be by any fanny pack. It looks pretty simple, but there is a lot more to this fanny pack than meets the eye. It basically has all of the features that I have wanted all in one. Now, despite the foreign exotic sounding name, Acromoda is actually a cottage business started by Josh Wood on the trail known as Cheese Curd. He is an AT thru-hiker, the class of 21, and, as he describes himself, an all-around gear geek. He is a software engineer, but in his spare time, he decided to make the perfect fanny pack. He just put some of the very best features in hiking fanny / lumbar / sling bag packs out there, all into one package. It's a decent price, it's well made. Let me show you the features. The Acromoda fanny pack is an ultralight fanny pack designed to not only be useful on its own, but also in conjunction with other backpacking gear. The pack is made from 100% recycled and waterproof EcoPack, more precisely EPLX200. It uses a number 5 YKK water-resistant zipper with a giant zipper pool, and the bottle pouches are made of ultra stretch, which is a good tear-resistant material. The back pad is covered in 3D spacer mesh for some ventilation, and the webbing hip belt is 1.5 inches wide. The pack is 8.5 by 2.5 by 5.5 inches, bringing its internal volume to 2 liters. The entire system of the fanny pack, strap, and water bottle holder comes to about 7 ounces. The pack itself is 3.7 ounces without the strap or the water bottle holder, which itself comes in at just barely over an ounce. You have a stash pocket in front of the padded sleeve for the belt, and there are no other pockets on the outside. However, there are 2 very convenient elastic straps that are big enough to hold an entire jacket in case you need it out on your hike. The fanny pack main compartment is accessed by a waterproof zipper. It is quite roomy inside for not being a gigantic pack, and what you have inside are 2 organizational mesh pouches attached to the back, and inside one of them is a quality key clip attached by an elastic band. That is basically it as far as the interior of the bag, so don't have so many organizational options that it becomes confusing. It has a detachable water bottle sleeve that just clips on with a little clip and can be removed. This is something that I have always wanted on a smaller fanny pack. If I just want to run out and all I need are some snacks and a drink, it's always been frustrating that if I want to carry a drink in the fanny pack, I felt like I almost always had to have a larger pack than I needed before they started including a way to carry a water bottle. This is a very secure water bottle holder, which I discovered when I was out taking some pictures of me with the pack. The bottle actually flipped upside down, unbeknownst to me, while I was getting the camera set up, and yet the bottle stayed in the pouch even as I was walking around taking pictures. There are actually 2 attachment points for a water bottle holder on the Acromoda fanny pack, so with this single pack you actually have 2 liters of internal storage. You can carry 2 liters of water and a rain jacket, all in a package that weighs barely half a pound. The Acromoda fanny pack has a nice, wide, very comfortable strap. It is a pass-through system with an extra material loop to keep it from bouncing around. This strap can be removed, and the fanny pack can be attached to a backpack through either the hip belt or a sternum strap. There's a nice retention sleeve on the strap so that you don't have a bunch of stuff flapping around while you're hiking. I can confirm that it is comfortable in either of these configurations, although I personally like it more as a chest pack because when you have it on your hip belt, it makes it a little difficult to get to the buckles quickly. As if all this wasn't enough, Acromoda has come up with a truly brilliant design for the front of the pack. When you order your pack, you are able to choose not only your favorite color, but also your favorite place to be printed as a topographic map on the pack itself. The pack customizer lets you choose any region on Earth to be printed on your bag, whether Yosemite Valley or your own backyard. If you are interested in picking up the Acromoda fanny pack, look in the description below. I have a link to the Kickstarter campaign, and if this goes full production, I will change that link to Acromoda's website or wherever you get it from, but I want to get this video out quick so that you can check it out and be a part of it. Get your design, get your order in, and enjoy your Acromoda fanny pack. Until next time, I'm Doug. Thanks for watching.